This video is going to show you how to add a picture to your website. The first thing you want to do is go onto the page where you want to add your picture and choose Edit Page. Once the editor has loaded, you're going to click on Insert and Image. You can either insert an image that you have saved on your computer or one that you find on the web. First, we're going to look at one saved on your computer. So you're going to click on the Upload Images button and navigate to wherever you have saved that particular image. Mine's on my desktop. Once I click Open, it's going to upload the actual photo. Now, regardless of where your image is coming from, if you want text to come up when you hover over that image with your mouse, like click here to go to Google, you simply put it in the alternate text. You do not have to have anything pop up there. So once I've hit OK, it's going to have inserted that image into my website. The other way that I can insert an image is I can go to Insert Image and I can choose from a web address. You can't search from right here, so I'm going to go to my Google Images search. I've already searched for Google Sites logo. If I want a particular image, I click on the image and go to the View Image option. What this is going to do is it's going to give me a web address for that image. So I just use Control-C to copy the image and Control-V to paste the image. Again, if I want text to pop up when I hover, I can type it in the alternate text box and click OK. So now I have two different images. One's extremely large and one is pretty small. Whenever I want to edit an image, I simply have to click on the image and this toolbar should pop up. So I'm going to go ahead, and this is on the original size. I'm going to show you that you can make it small, medium, or large, or if you want it as big as it originally was, original. If I make both of these images medium, they don't look exactly the same, and that's because the size is relative to the original size. So I've deleted one of the images to make it a little easier to follow along with the editing. Our options are to align the image to the left where it's already aligned, align it in the center of your web page, or align it to the right of your web page. Also, you can change the sizes, like I said. The other item that you can choose from is between text wrap on and text wrap off. What this means is if text wrapping is on, I can type right next to the picture. Now, if I go back and I turn text wrapping off, that text is going to go below my picture. So it doesn't matter which way you want it, but that's what those particular icons are going to be for. This remove button is going to actually remove the image. If I accidentally removed the image, I can choose undo to get it back. The other option that you have is this link. When you put a picture into your website, it's going to default to that picture as a link. So if I really want them to be able to click on this picture and go to Google, I want to click on Change. I can take them anywhere in my web page. I can take them to a web address, or if I had some scripts set up on my website, I could run a script when they click on this. So I already typed, click here to go to Google. So I want to change my URL to google.com. I want them to actually leave my website when they click on this picture, so I'm going to tell them to open this link in a new window. So those are the options. If I don't want any sort of link on my picture, I can simply click remove, and then the picture would not have a link. Now that I've got my picture inserted, I'm going to go ahead and click on save. And you can see what it looks like inside of the website. If I click on the picture, it takes me to Google. So I do have a working hyperlink just on the website.